All right, there's this DA Best of the Badge Award. I am just so curious about. I'm returning again today to the prosecutor's office to ask about that. I feel it's prejudice. A DA Best of the Badge, or how about DA's preferred choice? I'm very concerned about that for my upcoming trial. Does this office have anything to do with the Best of the Badge, the DA's Best of the Badge Awards?
We collect the submissions every year and then a different picks the winner.
What's a different group? How do I find that out?
I give you the contact or email. You can always email and ask them.
Yeah, so you can ignore my emails.
What did you say?
The sheriff ignores my emails. What? So what difference are you guys gonna what?
The sheriff's office?
Well, I mean, there seems to be a connection there with how you treat people. I'm asking a simple question. You're saying,
No, that's why I'm saying if you email us, I can give it to somebody that does though.
well, it sounds like you just go to the general district attorney's email. What? Yeah, the general district attorney's email bin. Well, I mean, maybe I could get their direct email instead.
No.
Yeah, see, it sounds like yeah, it sounds like a waste there. So if the press were to come in and somehow,
I would give them the general email.
yeah, and you probably have, I suppose, because it's just 2 years ago apparently that the
Yes, we have Isaac on the way. He was aware of that. Thank you. Yep.
okay. So every county has its own district attorney badge award thing. The best. Okay, so it could be only Outagamie County that does best of the badge. Okay, because I'm interested in the last 5 years, the winners for the last 5 years. I could my arresting officer have been one of those recipients? Because
You could certainly email us and ask that, and I'll send it to the person that is in charge of running it.
because that concerns me. You know, it's
That's fine that it concerns you.
because
I can get it to where you need to go if you email it to us. I can't give that information because I don't have it.
yeah.
And if you email it, I will forward it to the person that is in charge of handling that
Yeah,
information.
yeah.
Do you want the card again? Do you still have it?
No, I think I tossed it.
Okay. All right, so you send us the email and then
What's your name?
you can request that in the email. I'm not going to give it out.
You're not going to give it out?
Correct. No, because I know that you have been in recording, so I'm not comfortable with
You
it.
have-
If you'd like to speak to an investigator.
Well, you could be selling burgers at McDonald's instead. That might be a friendlier job for you if you're not comfortable here.
I'm comfortable here. I'm just not comfortable giving you my name. But if you'd like to speak to an investigator, I can have an investigator come speak with you.
To find out an award, you have it's a yearly award, and there's probably a ceremony that happens. So you don't even know when the ceremony is.
We have one back in spring. It happens in the spring.
Maybe I missed it. Okay, because we're kind of deep into it.
Yeah, because now it's summer, but it happened back. I want to say it. If I had to take a guess, it was like March or April.
Because I've only seen the sheriff department's only providing the 2022 annual report. Maybe they stopped doing that. There's no 2023. There's no 2024. Who won this year? So I would ask a nameless person.
Do you follow, or have you checked their Facebook? Because sometimes the sheriff's office posts that kind of stuff on their Facebook. So
They would. Yeah, I think maybe I should do that. I didn't go deep enough in their Facebook. That's
It was probably back around. I want to say it was March, April, or May.
about March, April, or May. 3 months. Okay.
Somewhere in that spring period.
All right. They should probably do that. Okay.
You don't want our card?
All right, I have real concerns about this DA's preferred Best of the Badge award, and I guess I should go deeper on their Facebook to see. It's a springtime annual event, and I need to look at that. Oh. Oh. So even if he didn't win in the last 5 years, when I ask if I'm able to look at the last 5 years for award recipients of the DA's Best of the Badge, who's to say they're not slighted? Like they didn't come in a close second and are a little jealous and want to put a little extra effort into writing tickets or something. Who's to say that? There's a competition the DA has created to change the behaviors of these sheriffs, and I'm not comfortable with what they're doing. I'm gonna try to withdraw a motion and submit this one instead. I'd like to withdraw a motion and then submit this in place of it. It's the indigent form. You didn't tell me about this form. I had to find out on my own. Under
These are you trying to have waived?
under 81429, all of them.
Let me just a second here, okay? To the most important state and yours.
So yeah, I submitted a motion that I made on my own, but now I found out about this afterward.
What motion it was?
Well, yeah, it's the indigency. What?
Which one you want to withdraw?
Yeah. I'm able to do that.
One.
Indigency.
You know when you submitted it?
I don't know, last week.
Should be filled out.
Should be in there.
Yeah, there's just quite a few things and I'm not sure
Yeah,
which one it is that you want to withdraw.
yeah, that's the process involves a lot of submissions.
Yeah, and I don't want to withdraw the wrong one. So if you want to take a look and tell me which one.
Okay, you need the exact wording.
Yeah, I need to know exactly which one you want to take off so I don't leave it wrong.
Okay. Two. Smashing. Person. The wave. All right. All right. Correspondence dated 7/3. Request to waive $35 e-filing opt-in fee. So it'd be 7/3. Request to waive $35 e-filing.
You're saying I put in his actual school name? Yeah, the school thing.
Hello.
7/3. Motion to request filing to the 35. It says $35 on it.
So that one. Okay, what do you want?
And then a little more, you know, what you guys have, which I should have been handed when I like made this request, but I had to find out on my own that you guys have this instead.
So we can't delete or remove
Okay, that's
stuff?
fine then. I'm just submitting this. I was just asking. I wasn't sure. I mean, I'll do it in court. I'll just say I withdraw it. You can't withdraw it here. It's done. So I'll have to do it in court.
Okay. So for this, affidavit of indigency, what specifically are you wanting to waive?
All of them. What do you mean? Do I?
There's no filing fee for this petition or for anything
Oh.
else. So that would cross off the filing fees. There's no process serving fees that need to take place.
I don't know, whatever may happen later. I mean, this is an ongoing case. This is my first hearing is next week.
So I'm gonna write student.
Okay,
I want to get this settled on the first hearing right away. I don't want to do it at the end after my trial.
okay, this needs to be signed by the court though. So
Yes.
we can send you down to the court for signature, I suppose?
No, they'll see that I'm submitting this now, and then at the hearing they can decide to sign it. The judge has got to look at this and then
You didn't want to
decide.
take care of it today though? Okay, we can do it at the hearing.
Oh, wait a second. Yeah, I mean, I'm having difficulty with the e-filing system. I'm trying to just see my case, and I can't. It says it charges money to make filings,
Yeah.
but I can't even see my case to make filings. So,
So,
yeah, that to take care of this right away would be nice. But I mean, I'm kind of in this this difficult situation where I'm just not able to get to the point where they're charging me fees on the e-filing.
right. So, sir, in order to be able to become an electronic filer, we have to give you a code.
No, I'm already signed up. I put my name.
Okay.
It's
but-
free.
Right. So, but in order for you to become an electronic filer, you need to submit this petition electronically.
Electronically?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't. Yeah, I guess I could take pictures of it and put it in PDF form, but
Yeah.
I'm not able to make filings
Right.
at this time. I got a name and password,
Yep.
and I'm in.
Yeah.
But when I try to find my case, it's you know, there's help. I'm asking help right now. They're not very helpful. So yeah, I mean, to submit that is impossible at this point, and until I can.
Sure. And I know that opt-in fee is, I think it's like $35.
Nope, I'm not paying it. I didn't
Right,
pay
Let me
anything.
just finish. It's $35 to opt in, but you can have that fee waived. The problem is people have to do it all electronically submitting this petition. What I can do is we can certainly take it this way.
Yes, that's all.
However, we're gonna send this to the court for signature, but the only way that, like, we can't waive the fee if this is all done paper
Well,
for the e-filing. That's why we encourage people to
Yeah.
do this electronically.
yeah, there's just the whole process from my sign up and all that. It didn't ask. There's no mention of a fee.
Okay.
So I mean, it only says the fees come when you are submitting,
Motion.
and I'm trying to find that out. I want to be able to submit them, go through the process of submitting and see what that cost is. Maybe that says $35 to file a motion, but I'm not at that point. I'm asking. I emailed to get, and it's just. But I'll submit this by paperwork. So that's it. That's all I'm doing. So I'm good. Are you guys good?
You don't have, I don't see where your opt-in code was ever given to you on this specific case.
No, it's I got the name. I mean, you want to sign in for me? Are you able to do that?
No.
Okay. I mean, if I had Wi-Fi here, if you guys provide Wi-Fi, I could show you how I got on. I have a name and password. You probably do too. I put it somewhere.
So you just want to submit this to have the court review it?
Yeah,
You
yeah,
don't
just.
want to take care of it today?
Well, I mean, I could check back later today.
Well, I was gonna say, you can go down to the court commissioner now, their office, and see if he's available to review this right now. If he's not, then you can come back here, we can certainly put it in his file, and he can review it at the next hearing.
I really don't want to talk to the judge. I mean,
You're gonna speak with his judicial assistant.
yeah, okay. Well, I'll show it to her.
Okay,
All right.
just say that you want Commissioner to review that affidavit for indigency of waiving. the fee,
Okay, yeah, yep.
All right, hang on.
I wanna, get this signed. Yeah, could be a little smoother for submitting documents.
I'll give it to the, court commissioner to review. Do you wanna come back this afternoon or on Monday?
Yeah, I can. Okay, all right then, sounds good.